Hello, friends. Till the time we have learned too many grammatical topics, but today we are on the different topic, and the topic is how to do speaking practice in the most important language, and that is English. So, today I am here to give you English speaking practice. So, tell me, is there stopwatch option in your mobile phone and a recorder application? Listen to me very carefully. In your speaking practice, on your first day, just set your stopwatch for 2 minutes and take a topic on which you are going to do speaking practice. Start your recorder, set your time for 2 minutes, and try to speak on the selected topic for 2 minutes continuously. You can find out English speaking topics in Google. There are many more topics on which you can do your English speaking practice. It depends on what is your English speaking level. Just choose your topic and try to speak out for 2 minutes continuously. If you are a beginner of English language and fearful about how to speak in English, then you can select the topics which are my family, my best friend, my first day in my school, like this. Select your topic, start your stopwatch, and then start speaking for 2 minutes continuously. Don't take a break, just speak out whatever you can speak. When you start your speaking flow in English, if any word is coming out from your mouth in your mother tongue, then let it be happen. Just keep your flow of speaking. Don't stop it for a single word. Just don't disturb your English speaking flow. Keep continue for 2 minutes and keep recording whatever you are talking on the selected topic. Day by day, increase your stopwatch timing. On first day for 2 minutes. On second day for 3 minutes. On third day for 4 minutes. Slowly, you will find that the stamina of your speaking English is going to high. After your recording, what will you do with your recording? Take a notebook, write down the heading day first, and then write down your topic, and then try to find out your own mistakes. What all mistakes you have done in your speaking flow. Write down those all mistakes on that notebook. Listen your own recording very carefully and write down your mistakes approximately. And once when you got your mistakes, try to correct them in your next recording. If you are habitual about, right. These are some words most of us use in our conversation many more time. We are using it many times unknowingly, or sometimes we do many times in our conversation like this. Try to find out these all types of your mistakes. What is your mistakes you are doing many more times? You will be surprised by knowing your own mistakes. Really. So friends, it's really my kind request to all of you that try to do this type of speaking practice for continuously 20 days, and you will be amazed by looking at the result. I'm asking just for 20 days. So today I have selected some interesting topics on which you will really like to talk on in your recorder on your watch. So, ready to know the topics? Take a pen and paper with you. So, the first topic is What is the best surprise you have received? What is the best surprise you have received? Second topic is, which subject in your school days you disliked the most? Why? Come to the third topic. The most important lesson in the life I have learned is. Fourth topic is, what is the most crazy thing you have done in your life? Have you done any crazy thing in your life? Then speak about it. And the fifth topic is, are smartphones and televisions making children unhealthy, distracted, and irritable? What do you think about it? Set your stopwatch, start your recorder, and start speaking on the topic. If you hesitate in speaking English, if there is lack of confidence while speaking English, then this trick will be fruitful for you. It's a kind request to all of you. Just apply this trick for 20 days continuously. I'm sure you will see the amazing results. But don't forget, success needs practice. Do you like the video? Do you want many tricks and tips for English speaking practice? Then what for you're waiting? Just subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and be ready for the next video. Have a nice time, dear all. Bye-bye.